Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do the practical experimentation of transient RC network. Consists of R is equal to 100 ohm, and for having an inductance we are going to keep the inductance box at 50 millihenry. Okay, so how to set it to 50 millihenry is with the help of this decade inductance box. So keep it at, you can see this decade inductance box. This is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So I am going to set it to some 50 or 60. So now currently I am keeping it as a 50 millihenry, and you can see here the type of signal we have to apply to this RC transient analysis is a step signal. So you can see here it is 0 and it maintains a magnitude of 2 volts, and once again 2 into 5, it maintains a peak to peak voltage of 10 volts. Okay, so these sort of signals are called step signal. Applying a step signal to an RC network is called transient analysis. So suddenly the signal is 0, suddenly the signal rises, suddenly the signal is 10 volts and comes to 0. This sort of sudden switching or sudden switching of voltage source is called as a transient. That's why this experiment is called transient analysis of RL. So now let's try to give the circuit diagram for RL. So from the positive terminal of the signal generator, this is the signal generator. From the positive terminal of the signal generator, connect to decade resistance box, and output of the decade resistance box you connect to the decade inductance box, and output of the decade inductance box we are connecting to the signal generator. So now you can see here a loop is maintained. So this is from R as well as L are connected in series. So output of the signal generator to decade resistance box, output of the decade resistance box to inductance box, and we are forming the closed path. So now we are going to connect the terminals of the oscilloscope is across the inductor. So connect the negative to the decade inductance box across the output terminal or in parallel. Okay, so now we can see the signal to what it is generated. So initial frequency adjustment is, see how to keep the functional generator output as an square waveform. Giving a square waveform is indirectly we are operating this network under transient operation. So keep it in step signal, and operating frequency range is of 1000, and I had set it to an frequency of 200 hertz, and the coming to the magnitude. So already measured the magnitude is 10 volts. You can see the input. So this is the input what we are applying to the, so this is the input. You can see here this is 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 8, 1. So similarly at the bottom 1 plus 1 is 2. So the magnitude is 2 into multiplied with 5. 2 5s are 10. So peak to peak voltage is 10 volts amplitude, and coming to the time, so no need to bother. So now I am reconnecting the network and connecting across the inductor. Okay, when you connect it across the inductor, so the inductor value is set it to 5 into 10, 50 millihenry. So this is the waveform. You can see here by adjusting the inductance value, the waveform gets varied. Okay, so then we need to plot. So I want to increase the x-axis, I can use this time. Okay, so I am using increasing the time. So better you make it start zeroing, start writing from 0. Okay, so now we can see here inductor has discharge, and once again it is trying to charge. Okay, so that's how in a transient analysis inductor charges as well as discharges. So this discharged inductor, this discharged inductor will once again charge. The type of signal applied is an step type of signal. Let's try to draw the waveform. What is the technique of drawing the waveform is like this. Okay, so now let us try to draw the waveform. After drawing the waveform will be like this. So initially we want to mark this magnitude. So magnitude is 1 and 1.8. So here you are going to get 1.8 into magnitude. What is the magnitude? 5. So 1.58 into 5, this will give the this magnitude. And coming to the time, So this time, okay. So initially this time is 0.2, 0.6, 0.6 into 1. So this is 0.6 into 1, which is nothing but 0.6 millisecond, this intercepting point, and it maintains up to 2. So this is nothing but 2 into 5, which is nothing but it maintains up to 20 millisecond. After 20 millisecond, it is having a magnitude of 1, 2, which is nothing but 2 into time. So 2 into time, it is 2 into 5, it maintains a voltage of minus 10 volts at the bottom value, and once again further it increases. So here the magnitude is 2.4, 2.4 into 5. So we are going to get the next intercepting point 2.4 into 5. Okay, so this intercepting point you are going to get, and remaining the waveform. So this is the practical analysis of an transient response of a series RL circuit. This is R and this is nothing but L circuit. You are going to get the response which is varying with respect to time. If you want to analyze more, you can see like this. Okay, so if you want to increase the time also, you can increase. So this is how to adjust voltage as well as the time to calculate the transient response of R, L and RC. Theoretical calculation will be left in the card. You can watch the video from there. So if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section. It will be answered in less than 3 hours. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the another video of ABCD and H parameters.